given set, if you want to add it, it's giving me attribute error.
Attribute error.
Yes, sir. Types of errors also important. And then comes the dictionary.
Mm.
What is dictionary? We already discussed it. Please read it.
Dictionary stores data in key value pairs. Each key must be unique. It can
Okay.
be of any data type.
So whatever you're saying, the elements of the dictionary are in a key value pair, right?
Mm.
For example, this is key 1. This is key 1.
Mm.
I'm storing value 1. Now in the key 2, comma,
Mm.
in the key 2, I'm storing value 1. Is it okay? Okay. Key 3. I'm sorry. This writing is very bad, but okay. Tell me, is this correct? Hello, Grishma, are you there?
Yeah. I think it's correct only.
How so? Explain me whatever I wrote.
We have same values but with different keys.
So you can see, right? I have key 1.
Mm.
For the key 1, I'm storing the value 1.
Value 1.
This is key 1, this is value 1.
Value
So this
1.
is unique, whatever the key we are discussing. So
Mm.
for whatever you have read it here, it is key
Mm.
value pair, first thing. And the
Mm.
second foremost thing, it must be unique. We will check
Must.
that.
Okay.
So key 1, key 2, key 3,
Mm.
key 1. Is it
Mm.
unique?
Just key 1 is repeated again.
So it is not right, right?
Okay. Okay.
The key 1, whatever the key we are discussing, it must
Mm.
be unique. So this one
Mm.
is wrong. This one is wrong.
Oh,
Second thing,
okay.
second thing,
Mm.
these values can be any data type. So it is
Mm.
not saying the values must be unique, right?
Unique. Mm.
So I can repeat the values. So here is,
Okay.
okay, let me change the color. So it is value 1 here. It is okay. The value repetition is also okay.
Mm.
But the key values repetition is not okay.
Mm.
That's what it's saying, right?
Yes.
If you want to add something, you can add it.
Mm.
If you want, and whatever the elements we are discussing, it is ordered.
Mm.
And it must maintain the key value pair. And the
Mm.
keys must be unique, values can repeat.
Values can repeat.
That's
Okay.
what we learned, right? Now,
Yes.
tell me about dictionary. Now tell me dictionary. What is dictionary?
It stores the key value pairs where the
Okay.
key must be unique and the value can be of any data type, and it can also value can repeat.
Okay. The keys must be unique, but values can be
Values
repeated
can be
and it can be of any data type.
data type. Yes.
Yes. And also this dictionary we are talking about, it is a ordered type.
Mm.
Right? That's what we
Yes.
read. Now we see how it works. So whatever the dictionary you want to write, you have to
Mm.
write in a key value pair. Okay, we already know that. So I
Mm.
created a student dictionary object. And
Mm.
inside it, whatever the, this is a name key, this is a age key, and this is a city key, right? Inside the
Mm.
name, I stored the Rahul name. Inside the age,
Mm.
I wrote some integer age value of Rahul. And
Mm.
he is belong to Hyderabad city.
City
So this
Hyderabad.
is a dictionary, right?
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Have any doubt?
No, I understood.
Okay. Now the same thing we will apply this on the employees.
Mm.
Tell me this, whether this correct or not.
It's correct because this is a dictionary and we have different key values, that is ID, name, and salary.
Okay.
And also, we also have different values. It has each key has a value.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yes,
How so?
because the key is different, but the value, even the value is same, the key is unique. So it's okay.
When I print it,
We get okay. We get the dictionary values and the class dictionary.
now tell me some other example of it same like this. Any
Mm,
example?
okay, so if we take dictionary student, variable student,
Okay, student. It is a dictionary object. Okay, you want to create student dictionary object. Then
mm, okay,
the
roll
flower
number,
brackets is common column. This is common, right?
uh, yes,
Yes. Okay.
in string we give roll number,
Okay. Roll number. Okay. This is not interactive because it is not in the code mode.
okay,
Now you got it?
mm,
Yes. Now you
roll,
want to write the roll numbers, right?
mm,
Okay. Roll numbers.
roll number
Yes.
31, 31, column 31.
31. Okay.
Mm. Name Grishma,
Okay. Name Grishma. Okay. Then,
class, class 10th.
okay. 10th.
We didn't give the name Grishma in string, is that okay?
Thank you, Grishma.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
Then,
Uh, okay, what else? School name.
school. Okay.
Mm.
School
So,
name. Okay.
GloryTecks.
Okay. Glory.
Okay, yeah, yeah. Now, print student,
Okay.
string again for GloryTech.
Okay.
Mm.
Now you want to print
Student,
student.
and
That's it.
also print type student also.
Okay. Print
Type
type
student.
of student. Okay. What will be the type of?
Dictionary.
So you got it right. How to write this
Mm.
dictionary thing?
Yes.
Yes. And one more thing. What it's saying? It must be unique, ordered, mutable, right?
Mm.
If it is mutable means,
It can be changed.
okay, I want to change the something. So
Mm.
whatever the roll number you have given, I want to change it to 30.
Mm.
Is it possible?
Mm. So, yes.
Tell me how so.
Mm.
Let me help you.
Mm.
Student, right?
Mm.
I want to change what element? Uh, what uh,
Roll number.
what key?
Roll number.
Okay, first I have to mention that roll number within
Mm.
the string
Mm.
and this thing closed. So I'm only changing this within the student dictionary object, this roll number. What I want to
Mm.
change to 30 to
Okay.
30. Sorry, 31 to 30, right?
31 to 30. Mm.
Yes.
So, okay. Okay.
So you can change the,
Mm.
so this is a mutable thing. So you can do the modification or
Mm.
changes, right?
Yes.
Modify is possible in the, and also I want to add some other new thing. Is it
Mm.
possible?
Yes.
I want to add the city.
Okay. So,
The same thing. I'm not doing any
mm.
modification.
Mm.
On the same dictionary object, I want to
Mm.
add uh, city.
Mm.
Instead of roll number, I will write city.
We are in city. Mm.
What is the
Hyderabad.
city? Some Hyderabad.
Mm.
What is
String.
happening?
Before string. Mm.
It will give me name error. So
Mm.
here you can see, right? Within the string, it is
Mm.
not there. Yes.
Mm.
Now you got it. How to add
Yeah.
it, how to modify it. When it is
Yes.
a mutable thing, you can do the modifications. So in the
Mm.
dictionary, you do modification like this. In
Mm.
this frozen set, is it possible to do the modification?
No.
Why? If I do the modification, what happens?
We get attribute error.
Yep. Whatever the add function you are using, we get the attribute function. If I want to do the same modification in the set, is it possible?
Yes, we can.
If I want to add two multiple elements, can I do that?
No, we get type error.
Yes, because whatever the values you are giving two values, two or more than two arguments you are giving, it cannot give the output.
Mm.
The very next thing is bytes. What is byte?
These are used to store the binary data.
What is binary